Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable WalletConnect to connect MetaMask with web apps step by step clearly. To connect MetaMask using WalletConnect, start by opening your MetaMask wallet on your mobile device. Ensure that you have the latest version of MetaMask installed. Next, launch the web application that you want to connect with MetaMask. Look for the Connect Wallet option on the web app's interface. Select WalletConnect from the list of available wallet options. Now, open MetaMask on your mobile device. In the MetaMask app, tap the menu icon located. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Advanced. Next, tap on WalletConnect. Return to the web app and click on the QR code icon if available. A QR code should appear on the web app. Hold your mobile device's camera up to scan the QR code. Once the code is scanned, you'll receive a prompt in MetaMask to confirm the connection. Review the connection request carefully. Tap Connect in the MetaMask app to establish the link. Your MetaMask wallet is now connected to the web application via WalletConnect. You can now start using the web app with your MetaMask wallet. If prompted, ensure that you approve any transactions made through the web app. When finished, you can disconnect your wallet anytime by going back to WalletConnect in MetaMask. This allows you to maintain control and security over your wallet connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.